Are you struggling with whether or not you should contact a real estate agent to sell your home in KC? Today, I'm going to share with you the top 10 things that you need to know in 2024 if you want to sell your home without an agent in the Kansas City market. My name is joshua.tarwater with the kcHOMEGIRLS and Associates, and as a licensed real estate agent who has sold millions of dollars of real estate, I've seen the industry change drastically over the last few years. If you want to stay on top of the KC market, be sure to follow my socials listed in the description, or feel free to download my free for sale by owner guide by following the links below. Okay, now on to what you need to know to sell your home in 2024 without a real estate agent in the Kansas City area. Number 1, assess your home's value. There are many tools online to get an idea of what your home's worth. It's important to know that Kansas and Missouri are non-disclosure states, which means that the prices can't be made public. Those prices on Zillow are not the sold price. Most often, they're the last listing price. For a close bet on your value, maybe talk to the last neighbors that have sold in your area, or better yet, pay for a pre-sale appraisal if you're not using an agent that has access to that data. That way, you'll get much closer to value. But remember, at the end of the day, a home is only worth what someone else is willing to pay for it. Number 2, curb appeal. 101. The key to getting people into your home is to make it irresistible. As a local agent, I can tell you home buyers are starting their search online, and if the photos do not wow them, your home is going to be on the back burner. To make a great first impression, you should know the trendy exterior colors. You want to make the local dog walkers stop in their tracks with a fresh coat of a hyped up paint job, and complement that with a tidy lawn, new landscaping, and depending on the time of year, a wreath or some nice decor on your patio or porch. Number 3, a few inexpensive updates. Instead of expensive renovations, you should focus on gearing your home to today's buyer. For an insider tip, go tour some of the local new builds that your home is competing against. That way you can see the styles buyers are following, interior paint colors, and you can get inspired by popular light fixtures, faucets, or cabinet or drawer pulls. Above all, declutter and depersonalize that house. Number 4, get social. Remember from point 2, buyers are starting their search online. With almost everyone on social media these days, I would recommend spreading the word about your home on various platforms such as Facebook groups, the app formerly known as Twitter with hashtags, or even Instagram stories with stunning professional photos of your home. Beyond social networks, most portals like Redfin, Netflix, and the like, Redfin, Zillow, and the like, they'll let you post your home online for sale online with a fee. Number 5, staging for success. While hiring a professional stager can be pretty costly, sometimes you already have the right pieces at home. First things first, everything should be neutral and less is more. Buyers touring your home should know how to use the space based on that staging. Got a weird shaped dining room? Leave the table and chairs in to show it off. Bedroom a bit small? Downsize that bed and show buyers how to make that space work. Insider tip. Full bookshelves can be really nice if they're color coordinated or mixed with artwork and the likes. Just remember to move everything polarizing that might make someone uncomfortable, and definitely remove your personal effects from the home. Buyers want to feel like they're at their home, not like a visitor in yours. Number 6, negotiate like a pro. Now that you're armed with researched comparables and understanding local market trends, that can help you negotiate things like price for sure. However, having a few contractors in your circle can be really helpful when it comes to negotiating things like repair costs, timelines, and what's essential versus cosmetic. My insider tip, negotiating isn't always about making the other person feel small. You shouldn't. You also shouldn't be aiming to be the winner. The goal is to sell the home, and most often your first contract is going to be your best contract. So negotiate to get to the closing table. Number 7, paperwork. If you're not using an agent, I highly suggest consulting an attorney. Even with clients, I often refer them to an attorney if they have specific questions outside of my licensure. Make sure you read every single line, and if something is not clear, do not sign it. Consult a professional. You could miss something small, which could lead to big troubles down the road. Number 8, being prepared for showings. You have to be available for showings when you're selling by owner. When you don't have someone representing you, there is nowhere else to put any liability. Showings can happen at any point of the day, and sometimes when a buyer is available, it just isn't convenient for you. But you've got to make it work. The longer your home sits, most likely the less it's going to sell for. When you're prepping your home for buyers to tour, remember to pre-qualify them directly or through their agent. Knowing the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification could save you time and stress. Also, keeping a record of every person entering the home is important in case anything happens to them in your home while they're touring, or if anything goes missing. On that point, if you have medications or jewelry or items of value, they really should be removed. If you don't remove them, someone else might. Number 9, closing the deal. From reviewing offers to handling inspections, appraisals, negotiations, and everything in between, closing is what you've worked for. Be sure to contact a local title agent early in the process and be sure to know exactly what that entails and what their costs are. Skipping this step could lead to problems down the line. Title officers do many things, from ensuring there are no clouds onto the title and making sure that it's insurable. Number 10, just download my free for sale by owner guide in the description of this video. There's a link for a customized to Kansas City for sale by owner guide for those who want to sell their home in 2024 without using a real estate agent. Thank you so much for swinging by today and for staying informed. If you found this information valuable or you want more like it, follow my socials right below or share with a friend. Don't forget to download my free for sale by owner guide in the description, and let's talk again real soon.